The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. I hope you find this video and podcast helpful. If you need some help, please feel free to call us at 630-324-6666. We offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have several geographic locations for your convenience. We serve all of Illinois, and we're also happy to meet with you and provide most legal services virtually without requiring you to leave your home. Enjoy the video.
Hi everyone, this is Matt with Learn About Law. In this video, I'm going to discuss why you need a legal second opinion. I will go over when you might want a second opinion and what one is. There are plenty of times in life when you don't take things at face value. You get multiple estimates before having work done on your home. If a doctor gives you a major diagnosis, you see a specialist for a second opinion. The same should apply to your legal needs. Sometimes it helps to have a matter reviewed with fresh eyes. Attorneys are human too. There are times when even the most experienced lawyer will find it difficult to see a case from an outside perspective. That's where a second opinion comes in. Having a third party review your case can help you make a more informed legal decision. In every legal matter, you will have to make important decisions, deciding whether to sue or to settle, choosing the right trial strategy, determining whether you have a good appeal. All of these situations can benefit from a second opinion. Many of these choices will hinge on key facts and legal elements. When you're in the middle of a situation, it can be difficult to see the bigger picture. A frank, unbiased opinion is important. Even small situations can benefit from a second opinion. A fresh set of eyes reviewing a settlement agreement, draft contract, or other document can spot issues others might not see. A different perspective can help uncover new legal issues with further research. An important brief may need one last review. So, what is a legal second opinion? It is risk management. You aren't seeking a new lawyer, you are getting an independent review. Attorney-client confidentiality applies. You don't have to tell anyone that you are seeking a second opinion. In some situations, you may want your current counsel to work with the reviewing attorney. In others, you may not. A legal second opinion is tailored to your needs. Thanks for watching. And to learn more about second legal opinions, check out our article linked below. And be sure to leave any questions you have in the comments and subscribe for more legal content daily.
Hello again, this is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. I hope you enjoyed the video and podcast. If you did, we'd love it if you'd subscribe to our channel. If you need legal help in this or any other area of law, please do not hesitate to reach out and schedule a consultation. Most consultations are free and all can be conducted remotely if you'd like. Please email us, book online, or call us at 630-324-6666. We have many locations for your convenience and we serve all of Illinois. So thanks again for watching.